How to activate Halifax credit card account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for halifax.com. Now, tap on the Sign In option on the top right of your screen and further enter your login credentials, that is your username and your password, and tap on the Login button in order to log yourself in. If you do not remember your login credentials, then you can also tap on the Forgotten Your Sign-In Details option and further recover your login credentials and log in further. Once logged in, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and further tap on the credit cards option you see there and scroll down and you will see the option for activate your card. Tap on that and now follow the prompts shown on the screen to activate your card and complete the process. So, this is how you can activate Halifax credit card account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.